So the Gantry is a large superstructure on the side of the broadcast centre. During the Olympics, it housed all of the plant machinery, took after studios inside the building. That's all been stripped out, and now what we want to do is turn it into a very large creative environment for visual arts. And we were looking at what do we do, and we took inspirations from places like Pompidou, but also WikiHouse, which is an open source platform for designing and building rapidly produced homes out of wood. And we thought that's really interesting. Let's take the WikiHouse concept and develop into Wiki Studio. And the way that they're clad references industries that are on this site. So whether it be Matchbox cars, or whether it be the dyes and the Pantones which are developed in this area, or the refresher suites from Trebor, there's a whole range of different types of industries which are represented it. And it's a bit like a 21st century cabinet of modern curiosities, whereas the Victorian collectors used to have them dotted around in their cabinets. The Gantry is our cabinet, and we're just highlighting all of these different aspects.